Good morning. Here we are in Tempe, Arizona, in beautiful Kiwanis Park on a beautiful sunrise morning, introducing the 2020 XBF Domino Teardrop trailer. 13 feet in complete length, 10-foot body length. As you can see, the fenders on this trailer are enclosed and match the actual profile of the trailer itself. They are removable for easy access to the rim. If you get a flat, you just remove the fenders and you can get them off very easily. This is the galley space here, and you can see the Continental kit for the spare, the black striping, all of the custom lighting, and the Domino logo. Also, you can see the doors. There's one on each side with a 5 louver jalousie window and the exterior courtesy light. Also, an 8-inch portal in the front. And then when we come around the front here, this is the brain box. We'll take a closer look at that in a minute. Flip down wheel, 3,900 pound safety chains with grade 8 bolts, and then the 7-prong connector, and the cord is actually in heavy fuel line, so it's well protected.